Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to study about the Wilkinson reagent. Wilkinson reagent is a coordinate compound of rhodium. This is the structure. We have a rhodium atom which is attached to the PPH3, that is triphenyl phosphate, other triphenyl phosphate and one more triphenyl phosphate which is also attached to a chlorine atom. तो यह है इसका एक structure that is stereochemically represented. इसमें what do we have? We have a rhodium atom, a chlorine atom and 3 triphenyl phosphate atoms. Okay. इसका IUPAC नेम क्या हो गया? इसी अगर हम इसके स्ट्रक्चर के बेसिस पे ही देखें तो वी हैव क्लोरोट्राइस ट्राइफेनाइल फॉस्फीन रोडियम 1. यह है हमारा इसका IUPAC नेम. तो दिस इज़ द general structure and IUPAC nomenclature of Wilkinson reagent. Now it is used as a catalyst and it is used in hydrogenation reaction of unsaturated organic compound. ये है इसका general and major use, which means that it is used as a catalyst in hydrogenation reaction of unsaturated. Unsaturated से what do we understand? We understand that the compounds having double bonded or triple bonded atoms that are organic in nature. नाउ इसके फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखते हैं. इट इज़ सॉलिड स्टेट, इट्स कलर इज़ रेडिश ब्राउन कलर, इट इज़ नॉट soluble in polar compounds like water and soluble in non-polar compounds like benzene, dichloromethane, tetrahydrofuran. Molecular weight is 925.22 gram per mole and melting point is 520 Kelvin. These are the general physical properties of Wilkinson reagent. Now let's see how can we prepare the Wilkinson reagent. It can be prepared from hydrated form of rhodium 3 chloride. Rhodium 3 chloride undergoes the reaction with excess triphenyl phosphine with ethanol. It is a refluxing agent. Ethanol is a refluxing agent. Triphenyl phosphine is a good reducing agent and is represented as PC6H53 और हम यहाँ पे C6H5 की जगह पे PH से भी इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ द फिनाइल ग्रुप. In the preparation reaction of Wilkinson, catalyst triphenyl phosphine react with rhodium chloride and reduce it to form +3 oxidation state to +1 oxidation state. यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, रिडक्शन अकर होता है जिसकी वजह से जो +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ रोडियम 3 वो कन्वर्ट हो जाती है टू द +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट दैट इज़ द रोडियम 1 और हमें ऑब्टेन हो जाता है हमारा विल्किंसन रिएजेंट का कंपाउंड दैट इज़ द कोऑर्डिनेट कंपाउंड of rhodium. This is the reaction form of this theory that is given. Mainly यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे हमारे कैटलिस्ट का एक्शन की वजह से जो रोडियम की +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है दैट इज़ कन्वर्टिंग टू द +1 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. Now let's see what are the chemical applications of the Wilkinson reagent. The first chemical application is it reacts with carbon monoxide and forms bis triphenyl phosphine rhodium carbonyl chloride, that is RH, that is rhodium Cl CO P PH3 whole twice as a product. So this is the first chemical application of Wilkinson reagent. This formed product compound can also be formed by the reaction with aldehydes. और ये जो हमारा अबव मेंशन रिएक्शन था, अबव मेंशन रिएक्शन में जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट था वो हमें और कैसे मिल सकता है, बाय द रिएक्शन विद एल्डिहाइड. ये हमारा एल्डिहाइड हो गया. नाउ इट कैन फॉर्म डाइमर व्हेन मिक्सड इन द बेंजीन सॉल्यूशन. अब हमें इससे डाइमर भी ऑब्टेन हो सकता है, कब, अगर हम इसको मिक्स करें विद अ बेंजीन सॉल्यूशन. दिस फॉर्म डाइमर जिसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं विद RHCl PPH3 होल थ्राइस इज़ पुअरली सॉल्यूबल एंड रेड. ठीक है. It can be converted into the hydridotetrakis, that is triphenyl phosphine rhodium 1 HRH PPH3 और इसके with 4 in number, that is ये जो हमारा PPH3 it will be 4 in number on reacting it with the alkali hydrogen and excess triphenyl phosphine. This is the reaction form. अब let's see what are the uses. It is used for the hydrogenation reaction of unsaturated hydrocarbons, that are the olefins, that are the hydrocarbons with double or triple bond. It adds the molecular hydrogen at an unsaturated carbon position in the compounds. It can be used in the addition of hydrogen acyl group to alkenes. It plays major role in hydroboration reaction of alkenes. It is used in selective hydrogenation of alkenes. It preferably adds the hydrogen at the least hindered unsaturated carbon position. least hindered मतलब जो सबसे कम किसी भी दूसरे एटम से सराउंडेड होगा उसको वो जाकर ऐड करेगा उस पोजीशन पे कार्बन की, जो कार्बन सबसे लीस्ट बॉन्डेड होगा वहाँ पे जाके बॉन्ड कर देगा. इसका मतलब ये है. So these are certain uses of the Wilkinson reagent. We have covered its physical properties, chemical properties, its preparation, its application and certain other uses. I hope you have found it informative, and if you have found it useful then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.